Hello guys, welcome to the video. My name is Kevin and you're watching Property Bloggers. So today we are going to see a new project at Vasai West. The project's name is Classic Residency. So come on guys, let's see the project.
Hello guys, so I'm right next to McDonald's now. So there is McDonald's there is Indian Bank, there is Kohinoor and there is Tanishq Diamonds as well. So as you can see, this is a prime location. So let's head on to our project, which is very close by, just a minute's drive away. So I'll meet you guys directly there. So guys, we are heading to our project right now. So we have to take a ride from Bhabola police station towards Bangli, towards Cardinal Gracious Hospital to our project. So if you go to the left hand side, you will have Vijay Sales, D-Mart, Big Bazaar, Brand Factory and Dattani Mall. Heading towards the project now. So as you can see, it is filled with greenery and it is a peaceful location over here. So as you can see on the left hand side, that is our project. The 9-story tower, that is our project Classic Residency.
So guys, as you have seen the project's name is Classic Residency. It has 1 RK, 1 BHK and 2 BHK flats. With 6 flats on each floors and it has 2 high-speed lifts. The builder, Mr. Dalvinder Singh Sethi, is a very kind man. He looks after the project very well and he has built a very good project and this is a great investment, guys. So, BHK flat of Classic Residency. This is the main living area. This is the dining room and right next to it is the modular kitchen. The modular kitchen is also very well built, as you can see, and the plumbing fittings are by plumber. So let's head on to our common room or the guest room. This room can be also used as the children's room. And right next to it is the washroom, the common washroom. And let's head on to our master bedroom. So as you can see guys, this room is very well lit and the washroom is also very big in size. The 1 BHK sample flat of Classic Residency. So as you can see, the flat is very spacious and we have a gallery also outside, gallery or balcony also outside, and it is very peaceful location as you can see, and it is a very airy flat. The flat has good ventilation in it. And let's head on to our kitchen, modular kitchen. So as you can see, the modular kitchen and all is very well built and the plumbing fittings are by plumber. And this is the common washroom of the flat. All the plumbing fittings will be provided by the builder. So let's head on to our master bedroom. So as you can see, this is a very quite spacious master bedroom, and we also have a washroom behind the door to save space, and this is a very spacious washroom as well. high-speed Otis lift. This is the first one, and the second one is over here. This is the decorative lobby, and this is the second lift. So we are with the promoter of Classic Residency, Mr. Dalvinder Singh Sethi now. So hello, sir. So can you give us more details about the project Classic Residency?
This project is situated at Masai West.
Okay.
It is a 6-wing project. We are having in this six wings, we are building 2 wings. One building is completed with 9 floors, and another wing is we are starting 18-floor building in a new wing. New wing we are starting off 18 floor.
Okay. So what are the internal amenities provided in the building?
Internal amenities means it is fully POP is done. 2 lifts are there. Branded lift is there, like Otis or Schindler.
Okay.
And modular kitchen we are providing. We are providing geyser and branded CP fittings.
Okay. So what are the security features provided in the location?
We are providing intercom system to every flat,
Okay.
and surroundings will be fitted with cameras. 2 watchmen will be there day and night, and all securities will be done by us.
So how is the location? Is it a peaceful location to stay?
It is a very, very peaceful location. The surroundings, all greenery is there, and peaceful wise it is very good.
So as sir has said, there is a new 18-story tower also coming up. So the name of the tower is Classic Heights, and so you can come to our office anytime to book the flats. So sir will be here, or his colleague Mr. Jubin will be available here all the time.